And we go. Hello everybody, it's Mr. B and his family on the way to school on a Friday. That sort of rhymed. Hope you're going well. We are fraction folding today in the car. Callum's been doing fractions at school. And Callum, have you heard the song, "There's a fraction too much friction"? No. That's a good one to tell your teacher. Oh, she probably wouldn't even know it either. Nope. Showing my age there, Mr. B. All right, Callum, hold up that piece of paper. Is that a whole piece of paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we could call that a whole, all right? Can you fold it in half equally for me?
Okay.
It's like we're doing a magic trick, isn't it? Just a little bit of elevator music here while Callum gets his precise folds going. Hey Angus. Angus is off to do a bit of mechanicking today. If that's the... Yes, have you got it? Can you show... Just hold it up. All right, so we still have a whole piece of paper, don't we, buddy?
Yeah.
How many sections are there?
2.
2 sections. So, as a fraction, if I said to you to give me a fraction of 1 section, what would the fraction look like? There's 2 parts to the whole, 2 sections to the whole.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's 1 out of 2 if you're doing 1 section, correct? And what do we call that? Do you know? Is it called a quarter?
I think.
It's called a half. So, because it's half, right? Now fold it in half again for me. Bit bumps aren't helping, are they, buddy? Cool. Now, how many parts are there in that whole piece of paper?
4.
There's 4 parts. Okay, each part would be a what? A quarter? You're getting out while you can. Oh, right. I don't think you want to play with me anymore. All right, buddy. I'll wait out here for you, okay? All right, so there we go. We've got 4 parts to the whole. Okay, so there's 4 quarters. And you can keep going with this and breaking it up and talking about whole, quarters, halves. You can get into eighths, sixteenths, but it's still part of the whole. Okay? Doesn't matter how many sections we break it up into or parts. It's all part of the whole. And just a way of showing children that the denominator can change, but it's still part of a whole. Just depends on how many parts we have. It's getting very noisy here, and I need to wind my window up. Oh, that's better. Wow. Okay, piece of paper. Have a play with it. Have a play with a piece of paper and explain fractions as you go. It's quite fun to do. And then you can make a paper plane, perhaps. All right. Just an idea for you to use at home if you are learning fractions at the moment. I really like... Actually, I might do a thing on Smarty Maths, where we break up a packet of Smarties, or M&Ms, and we break them into colours, and we show the fractions and percentages. Probably a little advanced for Callum's age, but nevertheless, it's a good one to do. Unless you want to wait a year and wait till he's doing that in school, and we'll do it then. All right, amazing people. Oh, thank you for all the people that joined the webinar yesterday. That was a lot of fun and great questions. Thanks for all the emails and the questions. Yeah. All right. Bye for now, everybody. If you have been on our Memory Magic trial, okay, some people were having problems finding it. It seems to be going to junk mail. Okay, so that's the Memory Magic trial. If you're on one of our sessions lately, we've been giving away that for free. It's going into junk mail a bit, so just check it out in there if you haven't seen it. All right, amazing. All right, bye for now, everybody. Have a great day.